Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I will be breaking down some of my favorite trades from my strategies from a top-down perspective. I will be speaking about all the market conditions that were present at the moment of executions, look at the order flow, and I will teach as much as possible from those setups. Now, as usual, being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook, all those trades are already there, so they cannot be made up. They're all already verified. So let's get right into it and learn as much as possible from this. The first setup that I want to speak about from just actually yesterday is gold. Now, what kind of market conditions we had on gold? Well, starting here from the monthly time frame, we had a very strong uptrend. The market was creating a series of monthly impulses to the upside and corrections, so clearly monthly higher highs and higher lows. So we had a strong uptrend. Now, all this uptrend was fueled by strong institutional buying. And in fact, if we go and see what we had when it comes to the commitment of traders, so what the big players in the market were doing, we can see that on gold, net positions were massively increased. We went from 176.6K net positions all the way up to 223K net positions. We had 7,000 longs added. If we look at the longs overall, they were getting increased from 253K up to 268K. Shorts were being decreased at the same time, going from 77K down to 44K. So clearly institutions were quite bullish on gold and making it stronger. So here on the monthly, everything was quite bullish. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what we had was two quite important things. The first one was a massive impulse to the upside, followed by the correction, and the market was in the process of creating a continuation to the upside. And what we know is that after an impulse, if you have a correction and you want to measure that correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg. In that case, we had in fact a perfect 0.32 retracement. And at the 0.32 is exactly the level to which you expect the market to correct to after an impulse before the continuation to the upside, because it is the first Fibonacci level and the one that the market corrects to in a very strong trend. So here on the weekly, everything was quite bullish. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what did we have? Now, also here on the daily time frame, we had a market which was clearly showing an uptrend. We were seeing here first the creation of lower lows and lower highs, so a bearish trend. Then here we had this double bottom, and after a double bottom, what you expect is an inversion of trend. So the market to shift from the creation of daily lower lows and lower highs to daily higher highs and higher lows. And that is in fact exactly what the market was doing. And as you know, there is a famous saying in the market that you're supposed to be trading with the trend. So you will not be surprised to learn that the trade that we will now go and analyze in more detail is actually a long trade. So of course, in favor of the trend. Dropping down on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is that at the time of this trade, also here on the daily time frame, the market was pushing to the upside and in the process of breaking out from this previous level of 4-hour resistance from which all these rejections to the downside were created, which at that point the market broke, retested, and rejected to the upside. Now, to go in even more detail, we have to drop down on the 5 minutes time frame in order to really see this setup in its complete. Now, what we can see here is that we had a level which was quite important one. This was a previous level of supply and resistance from which all this massive drop to the downside was created. Now, in this case, this strategy that was applied here was my gold sniper strategy. It is, of course, a trend following strategy. You find it on my website. On my website, you see a complete video speaking about this strategy. And of course, a complete historical backtest with thousands and thousands and thousands of trades over 10 years of high quality tick data. So make sure to go and check it out. It is on my website if you're interested in learning more about this strategy. So
just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions.
As we can see, at the moment of breaking above the structure level, the strategy executed along. The stop loss was way below the zone, and take profit was for a nice 1 to 4 risk to reward. The market went quite quickly, considering that these are all 5 minutes bars. So quite quickly rallied up all the way to the take profit and then started a nice sideways movement. So quite precise. We had no drawdown, just immediate execution, and the market continued with strong bullish momentum with really no drawdown in this case. So quite interesting setup. Let's move to the next one. The next one that I have selected that I think that it is quite interesting one to speak about was on the 40, so the German stock market index. What we can see here is quite interesting price action and structure that I want to discuss. Starting here from the monthly, what we had was a perfect retest of previous resistance turned support. In fact, if we zoom in here, we can notice how this level was acting as previous monthly supply and resistance, preceding this massive rejection lower. Then the market broke above this area. And what we know is that previous resistance, once it is broken to the upside, becomes support. So after breaking the level to the upside, this zone started acting as support. The market continued respecting this area as support. And right now the market seems ready to see more bullish price action away from the zone, effectively completing this monthly impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now, from a weekly perspective, what we can notice is that we have a market which broke below this zone when we had this rejection lower, then broke back above, essentially, as we have already seen on the monthly time frame, establishing very important structure at this level, acting as previous supply and resistance, then again support all across this zone, and the market continued respecting this area as support and demand and was in the process of rejecting it higher. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now, here in the daily as well, the price action was quite interesting. We had a perfect inversion of structure and trend from a daily bearish market, which means the creation of lower lows and lower highs, to then this inverted head and shoulders here with the left shoulder here, head here, and right shoulder here. And then, of course, the market, after inversion of structure, you expect it to become a bullish trend. So you expect the market to continue creating daily higher highs and higher lows. Now, in order to really see the in this case trade in all its detail, we have to drop down here as well on the 5 minutes time frame, and this is where we can really see the full setup. Now, what we can notice is that we had a perfect accumulation zone. This zone here, we had a lot of candles at the exact same zone. Now, usually when you are at a bottoming area and you see the market just moving sideways, kind of compressing, that usually acts as a spring or coil for the market, because you see all this compression, which is usually institutional buying, and then the rejection higher. That is exactly what happened here. We had first all this compression, then the breakout and acceleration to the upside. Now, in this case, obviously, the strategy that was trading this was my index momentum strategy, which also you find on my website. You find the explanation of the strategy, also a complete historical backtest on 10 years of data, and this was the strategy running live on my account for the 40, triggering the entry on the breakout. After this, the market essentially was creating this spring and creating a massive rejection to the upside. The stop loss, of course, well placed below the zone, with a take profit at a nice 1 to 3 risk to reward. So a quite nice risk to reward and trade here also for D40, which was a quite interesting setup, I think, to speak about. Now, everything that you see me share here on YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to my website, which you find linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to the best mentorship program in the world. You can get all my courses ranging from the very basics of charting all the way to the more advanced topics. You also have the possibility to gain access to the trading station software with the Telegram notification integrations, one-on-one private mentoring directly with me, the COT data software, which is the software that you often see me use in my analysis, and you also have the possibility to gain access to the entertaining live trading show. So essentially a live stream of all my trades as they're happening live every day. So my entries, exits, how I manage the positions, all streamed live every single day essentially in this Telegram channel, which is obviously private just for members. You also have the possibility to gain access to all my EAs. So essentially all my strategies, which you can then customize to your own preference. And here you see breakdowns of each and every one of my strategies, including a 10-year historical backtest of the strategy on high quality tick data. So essentially backtested on live charts. So basically, I would suggest that you go and check these ones out. And if you continue to scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process. So I really suggest to at least go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education, and I will see you in my next video.